Here we will show you how to recover photos from a broken iPhone with backup. Part 1. How to get pictures off broken iPhone via Coolmuster iPhone data recovery. If you have backed up your iPhone to iCloud or iTunes, you can easily use Coolmuster iPhone data recovery to recover photos from a broken iPhone without connecting your iOS device. Option 1. Get pictures off broken iPhone from iTunes backup. Step 1. Launch iPhone data recovery. Then select the Recover from iTunes Backup File tab on the left. Choose a backup file from the list on the interface and click the Start Scan button. If you can't find the file you're looking for, click the Select icon to browse and choose your iTunes backup file from other folders. Step 2. Choose Photos and Albums, then click the Start Scan button at the bottom right. Step 3. Once the scan is complete, select the deleted and existing files on the right. Then, click the Recover to Computer button to start restoring the files from the iTunes backup. Option 2. Recover photos from broken iPhone from iCloud backup. Step 1. Launch the software and switch to the Recover from iCloud mode. Sign into your iCloud account when prompted. Notes: if two-factor authentication is enabled, enter the verification code sent to your iOS device and click Verify to continue. Step 2. Select Albums and click the Next button to start the quick scan. Step 3. After scanning, select the files you wish to restore, then click the Recover to Computer button to save them to your computer. Part 2. How to recover photos from broken iPhone with iCloud. If you have enabled iCloud synchronization, recovering your photos is relatively simple, even if your device is damaged. Step 1. Open iCloud.com on a computer or another phone. Enter your Apple ID and password to log in. Step 2. Once logged in, click on the Photos icon to see if the photos you want to recover are available. Step 3. Select the desired photos and click the Download icon to save them locally. If you use the same Apple ID on your new iPhone, go to Settings, Photos, turn on iCloud Photos, and your photos will automatically sync to the new device. You can also choose Restore from iCloud Backup directly when setting up your new iPhone. Part 3. How to recover photos from broken iPhone with iTunes Backup. If you regularly use iTunes to back up your data, you can also recover photos from the backup using iTunes. Note that this will restore the entire backup and you won't be able to extract photos individually. Step 1. Open the latest version of iTunes on your computer. Step 2. Connect your new iPhone 16 or a functioning iOS device to the computer using a USB cable. Step 3. Click the device icon and select Restore Backup. Step 4. Choose the most recent backup file from the list and click Restore. Step 5. Wait for the restoration process to complete and check if the photos have been recovered on the device.